Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to scan documents and make PDFs on iOS. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To scan a document on iOS, first open the Notes app. Then open an existing note, or create a new one. Tap the camera icon from the menu. From the pop-up menu, select Scan Documents. Place your document on a flat surface and hold your iPhone steadily. When placed properly, your device will automatically scan the document page. If your document has multiple pages, continue scanning pages in order until you are finished scanning the entire document. When you are finished scanning, tap Save in the bottom right corner. Your document will then be saved to your note as a PDF. You can tap the document to open and view it. If you want to save this PDF to use outside of your Notes app, tap the share icon. Swipe to the bottom. Then select Save to Files. Choose the folder where you want to save this document. If you like, you can edit the name of your document at the bottom. When you are done, tap Save to put this PDF into your Files app. Once you have the PDF in your files, you can keep it there for whenever you need it, or attach it to an email, send it in a text message, or any other use you may need it for. So in this way, you can scan documents and make PDFs on iOS. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.